There are two pieces here. No. No, you did this. Oh, you have a girl?
No, get things done.
Oh no. Why would you disappoint us like that?
Because I'm not allowed.
What do you mean? Dinakshi. Hey, you should
Forget her real name.
What's your real name?
That also includes
Yeah.
Do I feel?
Something wrong with your tongue. Aha.
You will feel.
The paper is good color.
No, the paper is good. Cake is good.
Huh?
What is the paper is good? Cake.
This is the paper.
Cake. The butter pieces. That's the right way.
Don't be a Koraban. Okay. Don't be a Koraban.
But
Make it. Ah, I have it actually. No. So do you want a beer? You want to say?
I will probably on this one.
Ah.
But it's fine. Alright, so let's start with Google Classroom.
how is it situation? I cannot.
Right. So everyone is here?
No. Birthday girl and family has to come.
So I was thinking, now we will be setting up a Google Classroom. Okay. So this pretty much functions like a social media platform for us, a closed social media platform, which we can continue to collaborate on. So rather than going with the standard name, we can come up with something a little bit creative. So for this unit, for this batch. So either we can go ahead with something like Diploma Batch 2, or we can come up with a nickname for our batch. So why don't we come up with something?
Should I take suggestions?
Just not that.
Journo, guys.
Okay.
So this is going to take a very long time.
Okay, so give yourself.
Y'all are picking a name all this time?
No, just that.
Yeah, like you have an interesting name that
Good name. Guys, it's awesome.
I don't know.
So
try something with linked to journalism.
One word.
No, it doesn't matter.
Journal trenders.
Tenders.
Trend. Soon.
I can't come up with something so but I guess.
Journalism next.
Yeah, actually.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyone else?
Journalism next door.
I think this is very simple.
Yeah,
It's only going to go down after that.
Alright, we can go ahead with that. Anyone have any objections?
we can change it right later on if you want.
As you're busy, right? No changes, journalism.
You want to join economy next?
No.
It's
Sir.
Diploma.
Diploma.
How do you write it in the capital X?
Please start. X.
How else we can?
Yeah, anyone.
I don't know. Yeah, X recommended to like X.
What sex?
No, like next decade EX. Just kidding. No. Yeah.
Finalize it.
Just an
It's
X.
going to take a long time.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
she's
So,
hard to be happy.
Maybe he can add it to his CV in the middle.
What name?
Who?
That's the what?
Subject. New media. No.
That's how we translate. Yeah. Market culture.
Antharjala Bharat.
Or we can say what every journalist says. Api Market.
shall we do that? Shall we put that as the name?
Yeah, that's right. So next is the feature.
Yeah, see, you know that nobody wants the nowadays. Everybody wants it. And I'm a heart.
Soon you will be removed.
Unless you just
Recent from the removed. Next week we have we will be moving to the morning by rain flows.
right. You want some?
Monday.
How is it then?
Api Madhyayan.
The single is a
Hello.
or ये करना no end is E
Hello.
yeah
Api Madhyayan.
So this is right. So if you want, quickly step up and help your emails to this.
saying it's Christmas. You want to? we're going to have it now.
Muslim bookshop.
Sorry? Who's saying that's not
Too long.
So I thought you were going to have to
Yeah, marking, something.
Yeah, there's no marking.
No, wait, we all have marking
It's done,
bookshop.
sir.
You're like marking bookstore.
You guys have marking bookshop?
Yeah. That's my grandfather's.
That's the
Yeah, everyone has like literally less than a minute. Right?
I'm going to win the gold medal.
Suffer fast.
Impossible.
For sure.
Right.
Someone
Someone can beat them quickly.
I'm being so used to it.
No, it's too late, sir. It's not machine. George.
Forcing.
Is that it?
I noticed the name.
Ah, yeah. Why are you watching this on the podcast?
Take a photo of your plate. Did you take a photo of the plate?
I Security.
Did you? Can you send it?
Yes. Only one.
It's going to go on stage. Is it?
Only actually.
No. Come on and help them.
And the sheep can. Next was come.
It's 154. Why I think Abdul is supposed to come. Sunil is also supposed to come. Sunil? I think Samir or sometimes. Yeah, I think Sunil.
He's supposed to come?
He is also joining though. I know Abdul is.
Abdul is not good.
You're connected.
On social media.
Someone else come.
Krista.
No, that's the video.
I know.
Yeah, I don't know. You make me.
You should channel your image. You have so much good energy. Channel it to do something productive. Like using these people to meme pages, they can be the best journalists in the country. But they don't. They need meme pages instead.
Can you help? Yeah. your photos are in
Google Training.
all the photos are in Ashara or
Who is it? Oh, wow.
Australia's
Oh, wow. Oh, you guys with the
photos are so cute.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the reaction like.
And what's your name? Wait, where? Oh my god.
Shall I put that word?
Imagine this hours the morning.
Yeah, they gave me a discount also.
Sweet, no?
Yeah.
How did he give it a discount?
I don't know, I just
This is not says that, right?
Oh, no idea.
Are you?
Sweetheart.
I had some really nice videos of you, but you can't put here.
Yes,
See, more than hearts, you have to send 5.
Should be an angel.
Right, so it seems like we are having small technical difficulty on that. We'll visit it in a bit. And we'll break the, so I'll send your link to join. From that you all can join. Right, so let's go into Google Analytics.
Single after.
Start.
Right. So how many of you have used Google Analytics before? Sure. Some of you have.
I used it as
So how many of you are familiar with the Google Analytics powerful tool you will have if you are in mobile journalism or new media. Tells you where you stand. I think, what's your name? Nishala. Yeah, I think you mentioned that you have used it before. Have you?
No.
Just now?
I haven't, I don't have experience using it, but with the systems I have
Yes,
used.
that's right. So can you just explain to the class a little bit about what you can do about it?
So basically, it tells how many people have viewed the site and how they came to the site, whether it was direct through referrals or through links, right?
Yes, that's correct. Okay, so what Google Analytics does is pretty much how, have you ever thought about how Google knows all this information? Like randomly, by some God-given power, does everything come on the internet together or what? Have you ever had that question? Do you all have that question now?
Yeah,
That's good. Alright, so basically what the internet function, Google started in 1998. Okay, but before that there were certain other platforms also that were doing the same thing. It wasn't a new thing, but what they did was they started a separate algorithm to get things working. So basically they developed a bot. Okay, it is called the Google crawler. So this is, think of it as a person. Think of it as a person who comes and views the site. So there is this automated bot that goes from site to site. If you open a blog, Google will send like a stalker, okay, to go through the entire site. And then there are certain elements of that site that are picked up. And these are over a period of time constantly managed by a set of algorithms. So like if, for example, Safra opens a site and it's talking about, we have gender sensitivity. It's talking about that. So if you have the right keywords in the right place, it will start ranking up on those relative keywords. So that is the most, we can't go into too much detail, but that is the most simplest explanation. Think of it, Google has hired a person to come and check your site and tick the boxes. That's exactly what a crawl is. So the simplest way is you have to make your site or your audience, or your content very much readable for a person. Automatically, you want to know every 2 weeks your site, and you can submit your site as well. So now every 2 weeks anyway the crawler will come to your domain and it will record your site. At that point you can have certain areas marked as no follow, or like as don't index. Those areas you won't search, but the areas which you have marked for index will be searched by the algorithm, and will be compiled by, added to a platform in which they'll analyze the data, or it happens automatically. And then also the other main advantage of this is they are also in a battle with all other search engines. So this is all given free, but they earn money for that through ads. Okay, so now they need quality content. When people are searching, when you do a blog, they want quality content. So this is a free tool given for every person to be able to track. So how do you track the content, the quality of your content is how many people are coming onto your site, how many people from where they are coming. That lady said was 100% spot on. But what we do is we go through. Now this is I'm using a different site. Okay. If you take a look at it, we can look at the real time data about how many people are on this site right now. So let's go to overview. Yeah. Now this site has 0 viewers in the last 5 minutes. Okay. So I want all of them to do something. Take your phones out and go to www. Brooksbrothers.com. This is a site which we deal about. Sorry?
I've seen this.
RAUX.
Yeah, it's furniture.
Yes.
I've seen it.
Yeah. You can afford it. So there's one person is joined.
That's not me.
Now this is an answer. Right? Now you want.
Why is it?
3, 4.
Oh, is that me?
It's not good. It's not good. Yeah. Got it?
Maybe you got that.
So if you just go inside the website,
Say that. Yeah.
it will come.
RAUX.
That's me. I was 6.
6.
I was
Okay. A kind excitement, small things, okay?
So the visual here. Okay.
desktop.
So you have newsletters?
Someone logged in from the PC, right? You log from the PC. Exactly. So here unless like someone does it from outside. So is that working? So this will be
But without the magic bar.
So yeah. Okay, so if you see, one person has logged in from the desktop and one person and everyone else has logged in from the mobile. Okay. Now with this, if you put a piece of content out, if you put an article out, you can immediately open this right next to your article on a different tab or something, and you can see how well the article is performed. You can share it on social media now. However much people come onto the site, you all will be able to identify exactly in real time what is happening. Is this trending or not? Is this working? Or you can come up with a different content. So this needs to be set up, but that's not all. So let's look at the location. See, everyone logged in from Sri Lanka. But we can increase.
Data of the hospital I was born, the campus I know.
Why does it say that I can't read?
Thinking. But mine is not.
Yeah, you are like.
So here we can see how many people have logged in during the month of September. So yeah, so everyone, now I want you all to take I will go through this today, but after this you all have to take a look at a tutorial on this. Okay, because this is something that once again like which we will discuss today. So make some notes on exactly what this is and what are the areas. Clarify, and the next time we meet, we will recap on trying to use this. Okay, so we have already set up a website called socialsensitivereporting.com. So we can use that as a point to like identify some of the symptoms, some of the work that is happening here. Based on I'll get this, and based on the data we will recap. Alright, so a few of the main things that you can do is one is you can track people real time. As your content comes out, you can immediately track what's going on. Then the next thing is you can track the locations of where people have come from. So how do you do that is, I would have actually preferred if everyone could open it up, but since we don't have that set up yet, we will not be able to do that. But in the next program, what we'll do is we'll have a Google Analytics platform set up for everyone to experiment a little bit, right? So under real time, one is you can have the real time locations of where people join. So you see all 13 people who are on the site right now, all of it are in Sri Lanka. So we can even, if there were there are people logging from other countries. For example, if one player uses a VPN, the country of the VPN will fall. Right? If someone logs in from another country, that will immediately fall. So there is a map here. Also highlighting that this is Sri Lanka. So we can do an overview of where people are coming from. So immediately, like if you are targeting international audience. Now, I have on the site called Sri Lankan entrepreneur. From that one, we can identify like we get a lot of views from Europe. We get a lot of views from US and Australia, as well as about 50% of the views come from abroad. The rest of it come from Sri Lanka. That's because it's optimized for that. Then after that, we have this thing called traffic sources. Now, what we all everyone literally came by typing the site. Okay, but some of you have come. One person has gone to Google and typed it and come. Who is that? Someone has come from, I would say, 5 out of the active users right now have come directly, but I'm pretty sure there is a. So one person has come to Google and typed it. So that data is there. Okay, then we can take a look at.
What do you mean by direct?
So direct means they type the site directly.
You got it.
Is it just me or is this really cold?
No, it's cool, right?
What? Can anyone
Are
say
you
anything?
feeling cold?
When I walk,
Yeah. That's fine. Pharmacy is closed. Then, now this is a business side. Okay, so what I do when we have about 5 or 6 articles, now here you can see which is the site, which is the article people are currently on. So even if, for example, if you have an article, she has an article now, you can look at how well your article is performing versus per. So that is that's another thing. Then also we have events. So events are pretty much these all came from this class, right? But since everyone are here, but like for example, if there is a webinar coming on, okay, or like if there is we can set up that there is something going on here, and from here all the views that come under this area belongs to this here we can set up an event. But now this is something that is not very relevant to what you call to journalism, but this is directly about the conversions. Now you can set up an e-commerce website, and every time someone comes and purchases something of the site, it can immediately register here. So the goal will be like could be adding to cart, or like so if you set the goal for people to come and add 100 pieces into a cart, then like you say 90% or 80% cart, or like whatever you set as the goal, or you can make it as purchases. Those are particular advanced things. We don't need to go into detail there. Then, but here we have the audience. So when it comes to audience, the biggest advantage is that was everything under real time. What's happening now? So this is pretty much your notice similar. Like you can do a similar thing, but you can do this over a period of time. So we can start from 1st of September till today. So I can tell you without a doubt. There have been 512 people who have come on this site. And out of that, 494 people have never come onto this site before, or else they have completely cleared off their cookies and they are not even using the same email address. Okay. Out of that, we have 620 sessions. So what does that tell? 500 out of 520 people, more than one person has 1.2 people. Sorry, one person, each person has looked at it on average 1.2 times. That means no, you can't get it 1.2 times. Okay, that means that a certain set of people have come here and go on and browse through other multiple times and receive money come there a few times. Then we have page views. So 520 users came and visited the site and went to different pages of the site. So one person on average has come and visited the site 2.95 times on average. There are people who have come and looked at it like 10 times, 15 times, and there will be people who have just come and bounced off, which comes to the next stage, the bounce rate. So bounce rate is 37% of the people who come to this site immediately log off. Okay, and they immediately log off within seconds. So we have to, if you want to come up with the analytical understanding of this, we have to say only 62.9% of these are the real users. Others have come off and they have come there by accident. And the session duration is, on average, people have spent 2 minutes on the site. So that's quite good because like people would just come and bounce off, and but some people would have stayed about half an hour thinking about what's going on and what to do and stuff like that. So one or two, and then that will average out because so 30%, 37% have come and left the site before 3 seconds, or 3 or 4 seconds. Even if you just don't do anything, the algorithm picks it up as a bounce. If you just keep it there by accident, so that's a very advanced algorithm. So let's say like 10-15 minutes at least, some people, the rest of them would have gone on quickly. So that will average out and come to around 2 minutes. Right. Now let's take a look at here now on the left side we have new results versus now you can change this also. Okay, so you don't do much with that. But here you have the amount of new users versus the out of this about we saw that before as well, about 70%, 80% are actually 88% are people who have come newly, and 85% and the others have repeatedly come. So this set is actually your potential customers. They are repeat customers. These people might come and later come into this. So out of this we can say this much would feed into this over a period of time. The rest of it will probably never ever come to your site again. Especially this set, very difficult to understand whether they will come back or you do something else, you will change something to get rid of that. So maybe you can open a new section. Maybe you can change your graphics around. You can do many things. So But the bottom line is, now we know our problems have not gone away. Like with this, if we are not getting an audience, the problem won't go away just because you know this. But it looks much better because you know where you are. So you can immediately make a mathematical calculation and analysis on where you want to go. You can set a target. Then we have the languages of the people culture. So let's not go into much detail here as well, because the time is limited. So since we are going to end the session within another 1.5 hours maximum. But like to go, this is a very valuable tool, and I want all of you to, because like I don't see the point of me going so much in detail when there are so many tutorials and all out. So go through those, and like I said, these are things which we all are adults. We can't teach everything, but you all can learn it. So then we can even look at like cities and things like that. But let's go to the next important section of this. Now, if you are doing a blog for targeting young mothers, what would your content be basically? Like what tell me an example of an article.
How to keep farmers happy.
Exactly. Okay, so something like that. So what would be the age group of your ideal? Now you don't mean people who are like 60 or 50, because if you target that audience, the chances are you won't hit your own audience. So to say that it is perfectly functioning to the right audience, that your content is properly targeting the right audience, we can look at the age. Under demographics, this side is 35 to 44, 25 to 34, and 35 to 44. That would be your main target. So this should be high. These dropping is not a problem for you. Like basically 45 to 54, the target is not, the views are valuable, but it's not your target audience. Your message is not getting across. But if it's something like social sensitivity, then it doesn't matter however where it comes from, as long as it comes. So those are certain practical life applications of how you can use demographics. Let's go to behavior. This is the most valuable part of this entire. You can see how many people have come and how people have navigated through your site. So now, see, out of the views that came before, which we saw, 452 people have come onto the landing page, and they have immediately, the landing page is the page where they started. After from there, the audience can go on to products and furniture. So 71% are only interested, 171 out of 455 are interested in products and furniture. Then only 36 are interested in animals or tiny ornaments which they have. Only 28 are interested in furnishing products, and so on. So that. But the biggest thing here is you can see how someone navigated. So if you would see, if you do your LinkedIn right, your internal links on a website. So
the article is like this.
So here the content is here, and here you have added small things and like this. If you want to know about, we are talking about X. If you want to know about Y, also the information is here. You have the link here. I think we have seen that very commonly on blogs. So here, if this part is done right, you will see that people who come here, we have also started even increase, and they have increased that. So like it's a little difficult to get the complete idea into your head. But what I want right now is to show you all the value of this. To imagine, to get the idea that if you want to get ahead of all the other bloggers and bloggers and all in the industry, you can use this tool to maximum efficiency. Okay. So that part is actually quite good enough, because if you go into too much technical details, this might come a little boring.
She needs coffee.
I never said anything.
So do I. Yeah. Sorry for taking so
Yeah, you're lying about that.
I'm ready, sir.
Have
Don't
you
have
cleaned your
it
bag?
straight.
Have you cleaned your bag yet?
I never clean my bags.
right. So who has now let's park that first. Let's talk about Facebook ads now. So who has run ads on Facebook? Anyone run an ad on Facebook? Anyone boosted a post?
We feel irritated because of that.
Sorry.
Sorry. Lancha,
Funny.
Josie.
So I would like you all to make some notes on these things. Okay. So basically, you all will have to. I'll give you all a small example.
Huh? Oh, you want to sit here? You may sit on the place. Shower. Is it long? Oh, it's a no problem. You have to stand. You have to do this. Thank you.
I think it's really insensitive that in such a fuel crisis we have to pay AC for so.
Ah, yes.
Really good.
So let's go to title called Google Analytics. Okay, so yeah, Google Analytics. Right, so we might have some questions.
Questions?
Yeah, we do some questions. So now you all might remember what I said, but like when you are do a bit of research on this, because to have this discussion, this itself is a 2-hour discussion. So we have to open a WordPress module, the WordPress blog, and we have to go to the back end and we have to go through it. So we might have something on this later, but right now, put down what are the main things we can search for on the overview of Google Analytics and explain them. So basically, I want you all to take these down and explain what these are. It's very important getting to know those things. So it's, or I can explain the following. Okay, users. New users. Number of sessions per user.
The number of sessions is number of visits and views.
Yeah, so first one is new users. Next one is, so first one is users. Next one is new users. Next one is sessions. Next one is the number of sessions per user. Next one is page views. Next one is pages per session. Average session duration. And bounce rate. It's very easy. Use the internet as much as you like. If you all understand, if you missed anything, ask.
The number of sessions per person is calculated also. Isn't that average? The division of the otherwise it's shown separately. Number of times. User. Number reducing in legible. What is pages of sessions, sir?
Pages, sorry, pages per session.
Pages slash, per session?
Pages per session.
That means the number of pages a person
Either-
reads each
yeah.
time they log in.
Each time they log in. Yeah, pass. Just add it, give me a second. Let me just try everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Type an email and pass. So answer the key was
Michelle?
Which way has to go? From Sihan.
Yeah.
He visits the office every 5 days.
Huh?
Every 5 days he visits.
Where?
He
He comes every day.
visits. Just to work at the
Yeah, freelance.
in the phone.
Freelance.
Management is different.
Yeah.
I think the magazine name, Mashallah. Mashallah. A type of magazine is international. I don't know freelance.
This is freelance. We focus on lifestyle, economy, and finance and business.
It says
Yeah.
how many copies? Weekly or daily?
Monthly.
Monthly one. How many months?
Every month
They
they
issue a number of views each week.
How much? How many number of copies you got?
But this the university is college.
I'm in a doubt.
Who's this?
Source.
I'm not on Indian law. I think it shit. Yeah, it's done.
Anyone going for PETA?
It's done.
Number the way. You know, from where will you get bus to Jaffna? From Manila, they get to PETA to Jaffna to India to China.
You need a face ID for this.
For my brother's one, my face ID was no Apple can challenge us.
Yeah, you're between this, so.
Even
You
though
have it there?
Show us a picture of your kid.
he's handsome.
Please, I can't win it.
See how you can make away.
One of you is enough. So,
Where I can't. And the boundaries.
Your little bird is good.
Someone had message.
Not enough.
Hey, Safra, he has messaged me 3 and deleted. Very bad girl.
She realized what she did. That,
A mistake.
Yeah, like mistakes करी.
Safra, delete करे.
Now are you going to show us your brother or not? We are meeting here. You know, we are all meeting.
Legal. Even I don't have anything in my gallery.
You don't have a photo of your brother.
But I have only with my best friends. Let me show him.
No, we asked brother, not your best friend.
Yeah, wait, Mahal.
Mahal.
Yeah, wait. He is very posh, okay? Don't keep him like that. Someone
Sure.
He does look like.
That's your brother.
yeah.
I thought you said that's your best friend.
He does look like.
In class now. Oh, yeah, it's the same time as Journo.
But I'm fat now. I'm very fat. I'm fat. This is the twins program. This is
Just Journo.
for the Guinness World Record.
Oh, yeah, I think that there are twins.
So, everything is in now.
And it's also in class.
Yeah. Are they
I know
royal?
a whole lot of them. I don't know something of them.
Are they even royal?
No.
So,
Again.
the girl who left recently is asking a number and email.
Safra.
Shastra.
I'll put it on.
Group?
I'll put it on the Google classroom.
Google Classroom.
Tell Safra to tell her mail so we can add her.
Ask Safra's email. Yeah, just pronounce it.
Pages. From the starting, I did this.
Page and session. Page slash session. So there's session. Page slash session.
Here. Actually, Nutella. It's Nutella or nothing?
The one Susan's imposter.
But I'm the eldest, but everyone calls me eldest.
Why? There must be a reason.
Biologically, I'm the eldest. Because I'm the one to enter the womb first.
You have a twin?
Yes.
I got a name.
Come at me?
Right, so everyone else, now just check your email for a second and you already have got an invite from Google, people who joined from Google Classroom and download the app. I think that's the best way to keep it. Your email is
So I should join.
join and download it.
Just curious. On the other. So we can do this without downloading also, no? This is to register.
So shall I give Shafra's name? So can you read this for you? Because she's her close friend. That's what she told me. And she will not to give the total to.
But yours should have. But it's okay.
So Shafra's see my hands full of this. But I lost one of this very bad place. Wrong place.
This? Oh, one.
My hair during lockdown. Because of the sunshine. Bright sun.
Why have you not looked at this?
To get some foods. See here, the Guinness.
Stop.
He said. See, this was me, 98 kilos. Can you believe? Because of this, then I reduce. Then again I'm being
Did we get it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. This is spam folder. Spam.
How did it go to?
Everyone added your emails, right?
Johnny.
Did you add saffron?
What should I tell you her? It's
This site.
Safra
Save.
R.A. Fazal at gmail.com. Join.
I didn't buy it, I got it from somewhere. I don't remember that.
It's loading on the cables.
I have passwords.
I see you also have accepted the invitation. So, yours is good.
Loading.
Okay, so that should be good. Right. Now let's go to Facebook. Actually, let's keep Facebook Ads Manager for today because it's too technical. It's extremely technical, and I don't think we are able to do that. I will talk with Mr. David on getting another session for that. But let's go to. Have you used Canva before?
Yeah.
Okay. So how well have you used Canva?
Once
It's
they give you templates, so you can work on that.
So, mostly,
You can make resumes, presentations.
have you used Figma?
Huh?
Have you used Figma? F-I-G-M.
Figma I have used, but not that.
What did you use it for?
See? When my mother came and asked me, steam with, see, coconut. Machine,
No, when I'm trying to join that Google class.
I'm enjoying it. Close to Wi-Fi.
But what is that?
But you go to buy that.
Right. But before we go into Figma and Canva, which are two creative tools, let's look at Google Ads for a second. Okay. So now, if your blog or site is struggling to get any sort of reach or an audience, one option on the table for you is to advertise. Okay, now on Facebook, advertising it is not the best after all, because primarily because you will reach a wider audience who might just see the picture and
Fake.
yeah, so they might not, yeah, you can say that. But now if we want target people, now let's say we are doing a site about children who are orphans or victims or whatever. Okay, so we can type certain keywords. We can do some basically people who have searched for UND. Now we are doing, let's say we are doing a charity program, okay, for children. So we want people who have gone to the UNDP site. Now, if you say when you type UNDP, first thing is they pay. Obviously, they come from cost. But why do they pay? Now here UNDP, this is their site. These are all ads. You all know that, right? Yeah. Okay. So why does UNDP pay and put their thing on top of that as well? Why do they have pay and put cost?
Because you're most likely to take what's on top first.
But then if they have not paid, they are not will come on top. If they have not, if they are now this is what it look like. If they have not put the ad,
Yeah.
okay. But why do they pay and put it also on?
Promote.
Sorry.
To promote.
Yeah, but now this is a good question. Okay. And
Yeah, I didn't get the question.
okay, so now when you type UNDP, that is United Nations Development Project.
Maybe to maximize the number of search results of the like if they show only that side, that's only one search result. But if they pay and put an ad, that becomes two, right?
You can say that. You can say that, but that is not the. Now when they come here, they see the first one is UNDP, second one is also something on that line.
Yeah.
Third one is
They're more likely to click that result and then
Or there might be another organization in that name.
they're not likely to go to another site even if it's on the top and then on the second as well, they're not gonna go looking for they're less likely to go looking for other things.
yes, correct. But there is another problem. Okay, so when we type UNDP, it's a high value keyword because people are coming for their course. Okay, but now if someone else puts an ad there, feed 1,000 children. Okay, then people will come there and see that also. Okay, so part of the answer was correct. But what they do is now these basically or the ads you post on Facebook, the ads you post here, these all work on live auctions. So these ad space, let's say when you are going through the tool, you will say you will pay a maximum of $1 per click here. Okay, so someone else comes and says they'll pay a maximum of 50 cents per click. Okay, then your one will keep showing and until your budget is over, until you get enough and more clicks and you can put a budget cap also. So $100 and $1 per click. So after you get $100, after $100 is spent, then the next one will start showing because the next highest price is $50 per click. Sorry, 50 cents per click. Then if someone comes and increases the price to, but if there is, but even though you have said you will pay maximum $1 per click because the second person has said he will pay maximum 50 cents per click. Even though you have said you will pay maximum $1 per click, you will only get charged 51 cents, $0.51. Because the second bid is, that's how it works. So the second bid is 50 cents per click on this part. Okay, you have said? Sorry?
I'm not sure I understood.
Right, okay. So let's say you and me. Okay, we are auctioning for this spot. So you have, let's say you have a pet store. Okay, so you have like dogs. Okay, and or cats, let's say Persian cats. Okay, so you have your store, your name is? Minaza, right? You have Minaza pet store. Okay, and you advertise best quality Persian cats in town, and then you say you will pay a maximum $1 per click. If it costs more than $1 to click this, now let's see it. Let's say they have put $1 per click. Every time I click this, they get charged. $1. Okay, that's $1. Okay. That's another $1. Okay, I can keep doing that. And it's the UN, right? So, but since this keyword is UNDP, they have to pay less to get that. Since the keyword is, so keyword relevance also matters. Okay, but let's say now we have, let's say that equation of Persian cats. So I have, so you say you pay maximum $1. So I go to my tool, my backend, which we talk about later as well. In my backend, I say I will pay 50 cents per click. Now you will get, each time someone comes and clicks, like I clicked here, how much do you think you will be charged? Sorry? Why 50?
You said maximum.
Yeah, no, you said you pay maximum $1 per click. Okay? I am saying I'll pay maximum 50 cents per click. So you get the spot because you have said you will pay maximum.
Yours is higher.
Yeah, no, your bid is higher.
Okay, so
Yeah, but my bid is only 50 cents. So you won't get charged $1, you will get 51 cents.
right. I'm not
Yeah, so now you have bid $1 for this.
So I'm paying $1 each
Yeah.
time, alright?
No, you're not paying $1 each time. The second highest bid is me.
Right,
I'm paying only, I have said I'll pay only 50 cents.
right.
So you won't pay $1 each time. You will pay 51 cents.
1 point
Oh,
more
right.
than.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, exactly. 1 cent more than the previous one. So now if I want this pot, I have to go and I increase my bid. Okay, let me try 70 cents. Okay, now I go and increase it. Okay, I still don't have this pot. Minasa has this pot and all her pets have been sold. Mine are not been sold. Okay. So then I go and increase it to 70 cents. My bid is now 70 cents. I tell Google, I'm willing to pay 70 cents. What do you think happens when that?
Option, a message will go.
No message will go.
Vinay,
We are actually being sold.
72.
no, Vinay has been 71 cents.
Exactly. So you have said you would pay a maximum $1.
$1.
So now you are
So you have to try to top that number.
Yeah, exactly. So then I go and still my ad is not showing.
So if
Okay, but she's getting charged.
$2, then what happens to
Then my one will show and her one will not.
Then she's paying $1.99 and
No.
no.
No, she
she's not
doesn't
paying
pay
anything.
anything.
So example, I put my look at 70 cents per
No,
bid.
because I said a maximum of 1.
Yeah, maximum of 1.
Right.
So I increase cent by cent. Okay, and let's say I increase it to 95. I can just go and say $2. But I don't know how much she's spending. I don't know $10. If she's spending $9, it's not worth it. No, each click. $9 means like, I'm going to have to bring money from outside to run
Yeah.
the bank is not worth it. Okay, so I keep increasing a little bit to the point where it's most worthy. Now, if we spend about $100 per click, I'm sure we can get now. If we spend about $200 per click, I'm sure we can rank one on the world Facebook. We can have Facebook.lk, but I think Facebook owns Facebook.lk also. But I'm not sure. And we can divert people, but it's not worth the money. So, and because the keyword relevance also plays. So now, let's say I'm trying to bid for this UNDP name. Okay, I have to pay $10 to get this top, but UNDP will have to pay only 50 cents because they have keyword relevance. So, those are a few other things which you have to bear in mind. So if the keyword is, now if I want to bid for Pizza Hut, I have to pay even more than what Pizza Hut is willing to pay. So if Pizza Hut, now that example was just because both of us have the same business. Let's say we are dealing in vehicles, we'll have the equal relevance. But if I'm trying to go for a word like, Indra traders. So if we are trying to target the word like cars in Sri Lanka, we'll be on the same ground. Because I have vehicle business, you have vehicle business. Same with anything else. Now, if you have a blog and she has a blog, and you want to promote the blog, you are promoting the same thing. It will be the same. But if I'm trying to target, if I'm trying to run a journalism college on my own, and if I try to target for the word College of Journalism or SLCJ, I can still rank one, but SLCJ can pay like a fraction, like about 10% of what I am paying, and still keep the because of the keyword relevance. Yeah. Then now these, to discuss these, we have to actually go discuss WordPress. Now. When we are optimizing a site, we can for an ad. Now here you will see this one. So we can change this. We can say show this link as the primary one, but these things as the secondary one. So, but if we log in if you type UNDP in Europe or somewhere else, we can change these things to come to the way we want. So now, like for example, if I am doing a blog for, like I said, we took the same example for a charity for children. Okay, I can have this one above the blog. Here I can have donate for the cause, volunteer for the cause, and things like that. But it doesn't matter whichever one they click, it will directly go to that site. Then there is this thing called, now this one I want you guys to make a note on. So Google Keyword Plan. Have you ever used it? Even Google, they do the same thing because someone can see. Now, if you see the first, this is the best example. So Google obviously they pay themselves. So, so they are under the word Google Keyword Plan. Now these people, this company keyword. Okay, that's
Does Google have to pay for their own ads?
Well, it doesn't probably make a difference. No? They pay themselves.
Yeah, does it?
Yeah, but see, okay, even though the word is Google Keyword Plan, see, this company, Local Search Fuel, they have targeted that keyword. Then word stream and Google AdWords Plan, free guide on PPC. PPC means pay-per-click marketing. So you have to take that down also. Those keywords are important. So this sort of marketing is actually called pay-per-click marketing. So if you are lucky, you can have your ad there, and no one would, like now if I have ad there, if I tell people, look, don't click my ad, see my ad and go separately, I can have my ad for free. But if they click that and go, which is the most likely thing that will happen, they will win. So now you see the best example, all these keyword plan tools, they have targeted the word Google Keyword Plan because they identify that people who come to this site have this keyword are coming to grow their business or to increase the amount of traffic they are getting. Understood? So that is called intent, keyword intent. So now if I give you an example, tell me, we'll do a small question and answer.
But we have ads. We have paid the ads.
Why will you add? Show me.
These two keywords. Okay, one is vehicles and the second one is
That's based on government search.
rent a car Sri Lanka. Okay, now let's say I have a car rental business. Okay, there is two keywords. One is vehicles, or let's say vehicles in Sri Lanka. Yeah, the second keyword is rent a car Sri Lanka. Can someone tell me which word has a higher keyword intent? Why? Tell me why.
Because it's a noun and a proper place.
No, it values more.
I have
In
a
business.
business that rents vehicles. Okay?
I think it's general, no? Like when it comes to many searches, it could just.
There is a correct
Rent-a-car
answer.
Sri Lanka.
Like,
Rent-a-car Sri Lanka.
It's the wrong answer.
okay, people who say rent a car Sri Lanka, can you tell me why?
Because you're renting, you want to rent a car, so you search rent a car, then rent will be your keyword. If you search for rent a car keyword, you get more ads based on word rent.
Yes, but there one part is correct, but there is another part to that. The way you identify keyword intent is not about what you mentioned because I have a rental business. No, you have to think, get into the head of the person who is searching that. Okay, like if you were going to rent a car, okay, what would you search on Google from these two words?
Free.
Rent a car.
You need to rent a car tomorrow. You all are, let's say you are all going to go on a trip. Now you want you wish, no? Yeah, that's good to have a mouse in your life. It's not good.
So we want to go.
Yeah, hopefully you can meet up on this. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so think of yourself from the audience, and now the person who wants to search to rent a car tomorrow, he types rent a car street. So from that side, that has a higher keyword intent. So vehicles in Sri Lanka is a broader. It's like a person who is interested in buying a car, a person who is interested in getting information on a car. Everyone would type that. So Google would identify if they type that. Like yes, some people might type that to find a car to rent, but they probably not find a car on that search, right? So they'll type it again, and then finally they'll type different keywords, and they'll come to something similar like this. That's a real example, actually. Like I work with this company that was like renting vehicles. We changed that, and they saw that revenue go from almost nothing coming online to 3-4 million a month coming online by changing the way the site was optimized. Just a few changes. Okay, so let's take a few more examples. Union, I'll give you the industry. Now give me the high intent keywords. Okay? Is it flowers? Florist. Okay, try to give me some good high intent keywords.
Flowers.
Yeah, so the business is into flowers.
Florist.
Yeah, florists.
Yeah.
Natural drugs.
Okay, but maybe write everything.
How about something to do with weddings, so like fresh
Even
flowers,
Unique keyword.
Wedding.
What would you type?
Valentine's Day,
Okay.
celebration, okay, flowers for Valentine's Day,
Flower decoration.
wedding decoration.
Flowers to your doors. You really go to your doors.
that's a service.
Then make a buy something.
Flowers to your doors. So you're going to, if you are going to buy flowers, you're looking to buy flowers for your girl, will you type that on Google?
Flower bouquets. Arrangements.
Fresh flowers.
Yeah.
Flower arrangements. That's also type.
Fine tuning. There's the keyword. For fine tuning, think about it.
Bouquet.
Okay. So flower.
Yeah, bouquets.
Promote your banking cards.
What else? Someone transfer button. That's not basic.
Doorstep flowers.
Those are delivery.
Delivery.
Two, three minutes like this. Now we are important moments.
Artificial flowers.
No, we don't want plastics.
Easy to manage natural, so just leave the artificial one, should be fine.
We don't
These are
actually.
the-
Artificial flowers.
Low cost flowers. So like you come to the shop. Balcony flowers.
Or is it flower decoration?
That's the last thing I'm going to Google now.
I don't know.
One better.
Yes. side is really silent. This side is like so active.
Lanka flowers. Lanka mal.
So, like, you don't think about it from the side of the thing. If you think about it from the side of, I have a flower shop and I want some keywords, then only you come up with things like Lanka flowers. Think about it from the way you type. I mean, when you want to bring flower, buy flowers to give your girlfriend.
Wedding
or something.
flower decoration.
So, exactly.
So this word we can use. Buy flowers.
Flower shops near me.
Yeah, flower. Same is
Flower
not.
shops near me. Flower shops near me.
You said buy flowers, no?
Buy flowers got nice.
So, do you know about flowers?
Everlasting flower.
Okay, now let's analyze this and let's try to make this to an objective. Okay, so who would be the flower shop owner? Is someone give me a volunteer?
Said he.
Someone branch. So who says?
He's very
What do you want to do with your flower shop?
I want to find a girlfriend.
With your flower shop?
No, sir, I have to
Somebody
say.
else. Somebody else.
I have to find a lot of profit.
Exactly. Okay, so you want to increase your revenue. So how will you increase your revenue?
By creating online website.
And by trying to sell more, increase the value of your order, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So to increase the value of your order, out of these keywords, what do you think is most valuable for you?
Buy flowers.
Flower
When you type buy flowers, okay, well,
Flowers
type
yellow.
buy flowers, okay. But now understand we are a business in Colombo. Okay, let's type buy flowers.
Yeah, I think flowers are actually, and
Flowers are not.
Flower.
So buy flowers.
So it is,
That's right.
you have
Yeah,
five
it's a-
flowers.
Buy flowers.
he was trying to help you out, man.
Sir, we
But if people search like that, I can't run a business. Wow, flower park. Fresh flowers, local flowers.
Floral arrangements is on flowers.
Yeah. Okay, so now buy flowers, okay? So what type of a person would type buy flowers? So a person who wants to immediately quickly go and find someone who, I mean, to quickly buy flowers off the shelf, right? So now here this keyword, okay? Now you have to spend a lot for this keyword because there are many keywords who are advertised. One is this local flower keyword. So let's see who they are.
You paying dollars?
Yeah, just.
I'm not using it.
Okay, so what's the
Macros.
G flower.
You buy the first, you will give with macros.
Okay, so so what is the problem with this keyword?
The name of the shop. I'm not going to buy flowers from a name I can't pronounce.
And they highlight macros than the flowers.
So what's the problem with not the site, but the problem with the keyword?
It's not specific. It's not specifying.
I like
Someone's
flower
got
shops
very
around
close.
me is like better. Eh?
No, let's look at the heads.
It's not here.
Yeah, it's not clear. I think.
Nothing like floral.
Ah,
So what is the
You
problem?
need a specific location. Mola.
Yeah.
So when you go buy flowers, it doesn't have a local.
It's
So
not local.
yeah, exactly. So you have to now let's figure out that keyword. you're going to have to, you're going to have to target people who charge $8 for flowers.
Small
You're going to have to outfit people.
एक लाभ वाला
Have you ever bought flowers in the first place? On the lab?
Yeah, I have bought for my friend's engagement cake.
$69.
Yeah.
Bananas.
Yeah, so that's about 20,000. Okay, so like these people, and they are spending a lot of. So the problem with this keyword is it's not localized.
Yeah.
So you, my friend, you will end up showing your ads in France.
Yeah.
Like the French people are showing it here.
Yeah.
And they just pay Google some of these clicks as well. So when you type, if a customer types buy flowers, they are going to immediately think, okay, this is not working, and they will type buy flowers in Sri Lanka. Okay, so this one is up.
Flower shops.
Yeah.
Yeah,
flower
flower
shops.
shops.
Yeah, it's a very good key. In the organic search is fine, but in the ad, once again, there is a small problem with that keyword. Because flower shops near me is also, anyone can type from anywhere in the world, flower shops near me.
But what if you enable the location?
If you enable it,
Yeah, if you, the organic search, yes.
No, I
But
mean,
there are enough ads.
message.
Yeah, so. But here, these are not local ones.
No.
So, yeah, so like, so that keyword also has the same problem. Because remember, we are talking about the ads. Okay, we are not talking about what the website is optimized to search to show on an organic. So when you type, once again, when you type like buy flower shops near me on the ad, it will show directly to to an international audience. So let's look at another keyword. There you go. So when you type something like buy flowers in Sri Lanka, okay, right on top comes Shiro. Okay, so you can easily output there, you can afford to output them, and it makes sense because no one in France is going to type buy flowers in Sri Lanka unless they are. And then this is other side called wish.com. There are also contact numbers. And then we get the unique searches. So in this instance, this keyword, which one has mentioned, I believe, we had a very close one, buy flowers. But buy flowers in Sri Lanka is definitely a high value keyword. So Valentine's bouquet is in Sri Lanka. So especially when you are reading, if you want to go local, make sure you have the problem. If not, you'll be wasting money. You'll be burning. Because if you accidentally, I had this happen to me. Like one time, long time ago when I was working, I ended up paying like, at the time it was a big amount, so I ended up paying like 33,000 out of my salary because I had run an ad and I accidentally, instead of doing this, like this, instead of typing the dollar like this, I had done this. minutes later, I realized, luckily there was a price cap. There's a luckily, and also that ad, I had not optimized it. I had optimized it for without this Sri Lankan thing. Okay, so it started showing directly because I'm outbidding people like nothing. I put $10 maximum per click, and the company is body active, so it's a clothing line. So I put $10 maximum per click, and but by accident I put $1,000 per click. I'm outbidding everyone, and luckily there was no one bidding $999 for it. Because if not, I would have got $1,000 per click. Okay, so yes, but if I had targeted a keyword like in Sri Lanka, even if I had accidentally made that mistake, if my keyword was spot on, I wouldn't have spent that. So like about a few hours later, I realized that there's a problem because like you can cap these. So like I said, like the cap was at $200. So the entire $200 was spent. And then I realized something's wrong. At the time, $200 was about $30,000. So now if it happens, it's about $8,000-9,000. So yeah. So you have to be careful in using this tool as well. Then yeah. So that is pretty much about keyword. So like write this down also. Do your personal research. So like identify how to use keywords for Google Ads. Then the next task. Next task will be experiment and don't put money into that. Experiment and see how to use Google Ads Manager in Google Ads. Google keyword tool. So you have to put down the words. We can if I click calls, the call now button, the number will start showing. If I click website visits and leads, the website will start showing. You saw there was some ads in the previous one where the contact number was right in front. Right? That's when they click calls. Get more physical visits, the address will show more. And the algorithm will also show you to more people who will call. If you click get more calls, it will show, they will study when you take a call off a Google ad, they will know that this person calls off Google ads. So they will show it more to people who do it. And they are algorithm works in different ways like that. Then same with if you have a YouTube channel, if you promote your YouTube channel, you can do the same with that. So let's just say website leads. Get started. value at the keywords. So if you see, I have targeted the keyword. My first main keyword says advertising agent. My second one says digital marketing agents. Third one says ad agency in Sri Lanka. And there is a small description of my site. So since I've already done that, it automatically picks it up. But if I haven't done that, you can, or here now if I want to change this, I can change it to social media marketing help. So if someone searches that on Google, and if the person is in Sri Lanka, I can make it not show in other countries as well. There are ones which do, but especially since now we have already used the keyword at the agency in Sri Lanka. Okay, so all these work together, and now I have changed this. Now if they go to my website, no one will see that this word, social media marketing help, but on the end it will be. So here I have changed it, and you will start targeting that particular keyword. This is the page. And here is the address. And I can have the phone number as well. So let's just try running. Here, these are the keywords which I want to optimize for. So let me say now I have photography as a service. Photography in color, or even photography in color. Now those are things which people looking from side of a customer, they would type, but now the words there which Google are suggesting for me, these are actually open-ended keywords. So I'm not interested because I don't have 9 ways. But because these companies, they don't know about this, that is why the French flower shops are showing in Sri Lanka. Google just want the money. Okay, so they would without looking targeting an area, they are targeting, right? Okay, so let's just put this keyword. And we can have a few other good keywords also. So web development in Color. Now web development is a keyword. If I have the funds, I can go out. Why? I don't have to do it in target Sri Lanka. Why? Because I can cater to any client in any part of the world. And social media, no, that makes sense. That's my own thing when we are doing this. Now let's just start with Colombo. This is where you specify the region. So the place, but if they looked into detail, but if we skip all this, we would miss this area, but we can also increase the, let's say, Colombo is like this.
If you want, I can tell you Priyanka's postal code. It's 10,300.
We are not that important in Malaysia, but we can look around.
Western furniture.
And now why is Colombo not showing? Because Sri Lanka is bigger than Colombo. So we need to take this off. Okay, so we can do this. So here now they give you an idea. So average daily cost will be around $1 case, but you can do entire own budget. So if you do $5 per day, estimated, each month your ad will get about for $150. Your ad will get about 810 to 2,600 ads, clicks. So
Where does the option part come? That thing where you try to compete?
where you compete, no, that comes inside this row. Let's go next. That's advanced.
So this $5 we pay for daily.
Yeah, then you will be page daily. Let's go to that. So now that is something they have made to make it very much easier. But it's not signed for some reason. But so inside this, let's take a picture of the image.
Yeah, see that? The little difference and the patterns. Let's go to her place.
Sure.
reason it's not letting me open up my backend.
Oh, lot of opening.
So many tabs.
My laptop will be.
This is not.
Like another YouTube.
So anyway,
Website here.
so that's how it is. Like sometimes these things go down.
They are uncomes. So life with difficulties and patience.
We'll go through basically you can search for online as well. So now what we went through is like similar to like the Boost tool on Facebook. Okay, but like on Facebook also there is the advanced tool called Ads Manager. Now the steps we went through, those you can do and you will charge. I think the standard amount is 10 cents per click. So like but if you have the question why your IT is some, I can run that ad. Okay, they give a range of 1,800 to 800 to 1,300 clicks or something. Suddenly, if the keyword gets valuable, like when you click terms and conditions, they say it's not. Like sometimes you will not get charged. If that happens, that's because the keyword demand has gone up. But we will go through the ins and outs of this tool probably in another session. But feel free to do your research on it. Like I don't know why it's not logging now, but when you get back, if you type Google keyword planner or Google Ad Manager, that's the word for it. You will be able to go through that as well. So ideally, that also once again is the complete one-day workshop like this. So we are getting close to our last.
So you will come next week.
I'm not sure. I think next week you all have. What do you all have?
Lectures.
We don't. Just get told on the day
Yeah, I
before.
think next week you all have print media. So,
Today we have media ethics at night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are there anyone for SSR? SSR? Yeah, they are. No. SSR? Yesterday. You will do it.
We don't pay for this.
You don't have to pay for that.
Just have to do minutes, 15,000.
Maybe it's into our college.
No. It's a different course, I think.
Shaika, it's free, right?
No. 15,000, right? The certificate course.
You missed the opportunity. You got up to the Lotus program.
I'm now going to sign that.
Let's see.
right. So then
First I have to do that.
now when you are trying to make a blog or something, how you are select images?
How do I select?
Yeah, how do you get images? So you have to be very careful.
After we take the picture, we Google what we want, go to tools and pick creative and commons.
Yes, that is one. Or you can go to
Stock images.
Yeah, go to sites which offer free stock images.
Shutterstock.
Yeah, but not Shutterstock because so ideally you need royalty free. So that's something that you need to just keep an eye on. Have you ever gone to a site called FreePick? Yeah, so FreePick is one.
But they have watermark.
Yeah, I
Some,
think.
but they have a lot of free
I
items.
think pretty much every site is with watermark, no?
No, but FreePick is a site which has a lot of free
Creative
sites.
and commons.
There was one I could put clouds or something.
Creative and commons.
License. Comments.
Commons. COMMONS.
License.
Yeah.
So this is a site where you can try technologies.
That is, yes. I've got one.
You may know the email right now.
And it's a neighborhood.
Even phone you can get some.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it was doctors are blind.
Yeah, it's not straight, it's like
So you see, if you are
the guy when you looking.
if you are looking
I
at
don't
doctor,
think
if
there.
There.
you are doing a talk about cars or something, you will get high quality features. You will find it. Like
Guy
the side is really
free with. Don't free them. Yeah, in the group, so in the group I was asking if anyone volunteer to take part in the cultural night. They were shut. Please tell your t-shirt size, large XL, what XL? They're coming row.
What just happened?
I don't know.
I was asking the group is there anyone to take part in the cultural night volunteer. There was no reply, but as coach, is there anyone? Please tell your t-shirt size, is there notifications are coming. Large XL, double XL, small.
What happens? What happens if you open too many tabs?
How does it look at that?
It's a laptop.
Yeah, how does it
so
happen?
right now when we are listening to once again we spoke about like we doing a long one, like like for example if you're doing something on mothers, these online are priceless. I mean you can't get and it's kind of local. So
Yeah.
well if you know Photoshop you can easily make that local by just changing a small team. So that things like this.
But there's a crown on it.
That is a crown, yeah. But now here these are all free.
No, that's premium.
This is not free.
Yeah. The name of the site is free, and then they ask us something.
Yeah, once long time ago, when we discovered it in 2011, it was actually free. Every single thing of it was free. But I was wondering why they were doing this for free. Later I realized they just wanted to get us hooked onto it and then charge us later.
Down.
My credit for my institute, sorry.
That's what Facebook was doing. So for a long time they ran without ads, they ran with just investment. And so make sure you all use these. There's Pixabay, there's so many other sites which are pictures from, but just make sure you all don't have any copyright infringements because that can really affect the speed of your site and how it propagates. Yeah, then Canva, I think you all know about Canva. Let's go through Canva and Figma.
Next week.
That is, let's go through it now and let's finish the session after that.
The ribbons it was for.
This only things. So here you can easily get a free form. And continue with Google. And I recommend you all, even for Canva, just go through a tutorial. This information is also there. Okay, so you make a task now, you all have to do an article about the internet, and there's an article which we discussed before, and there's an article about a particular course which you all should do. Okay, so use Canva, have a task. Use Canva to design a small, a picture or something like that, and add it to that.
Use camera to do that.
To develop a small picture, or like about the internet. So have a view or something.
So you have to upload in the Google Classroom.
Yes, you have to upload it on the Google Classroom.
To develop an algorithm.
Then post on.
Yeah, so right now, if you talk about the internet, you can on you can do a small infographic.
You must install.
Oh, an infographic.
Yeah.
You can use it on the
You can just use it on the also be
Yeah, you can get the app also.
Is there an app for it?
Yeah.
I'm sure it
Yeah,
was
it
on
never
the.
has an app. That's
There is
it.
a-
You must be looking.
So you can go.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, but I know
It's
it
actually not
works
complicated.
about
And
internet.
I figured it out as I go.
Yeah, just
Okay.
Even a picture or fine.
A small post also.
do a picture.
We can like take a picture and like do infographic or something like this. It's an article, so you need to do something around that, right? Then you can do the same thing with Figma as well. So now some of you all have previously shown interest in doing your own blogs at certain times. So if you are developing a site, almost all websites are created on Figma. So
So for website then can't we get that share?
sorry,
For the website 1 lakh of
yeah.
we will not get there with that whole but can we take it from a team?
Yeah, sure.
Because we didn't attend the physical session there.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so
The maroon color.
I am like, but I wasn't paying attention, but it got it back.
I'll explain.
yeah, okay. So try, Gator, that is for speak to students. And we have to have a small meeting on that as well. So we will organize it because I have still submitted it for board approval. I have still not got an update and there is a proposal also. So there might be even a small payment plan for the articles you all write.
Other teams, they are having weekly video calls for discussion.
Is that?
From Brownie actually.
Okay.
They are not
I saw there were some articles
very
also.
Western province.
We are too many distractions. So like here now if you are trying to develop a website or something or a blog, this is what Figma is. This is what you can do with. So this is for example this is a site, so you can easily this around and this is also a completely online creative tool. So if you want to use these characters, these shapes, everything, and you have this feature in Photoshop. So like I said before, we have absolutely no time to go through all these today. But what I can do is introduce, and then on top of that, like through this course, there might be multiple times where you already visit these, but the rest is up to you. So you can't teach it, but you already learn it. So that's it. So now, like with this itself, you can see how valuable this tool is. And if you zoom in, this is one side which we have tried. This is our new side which we are trying to do. So let's go. This is like, code. So now see, this is a prototype. Okay, so this looks very much similar to original side. Right? Just but when you're discussing it, it's much, it's really very easy.
Easy.
Yeah.
Oh,
to
nice.
identify what happens. And these buttons also can be, it's not made clickable, but these buttons also can easily be made clickable and it can go to a picture. So it's very easy to work the site. So Figma for creatives, Canva for creatives, Figma for technical prototypes and things like that. Then Google Flow for promoting your blog. Then Google Classroom for us to keep in touch. The session we discussed in the morning how to plan a website and things like that. Those also go through that. And try to put as much as possible, but supplement what we are learning, because I'm pretty sure by now from this point onwards, whatever we say, we might not do it. So whatever because we have been having this session for a long time. Okay, so practice. Yeah, so practice. You know, because trust me, the extra hours you put in today, the hours you are putting to watch movies, the hours you are putting to have fun, to have a drink, to do whatever you are got, will not pay off in 5 years or 10 years. But the hours you put into work, the hours you put into develop yourself, that when it's required, those are the hours that will help your develop. So that's about it for today.
So thank you very much.
You're welcome.
DM Karnataka में
करना रखते हैं।
Let's do paper.
This good.
Jiradi Aisha. Di mana? Abdul Azim. George Washington. Washington.
You have a great name, right?
Washington DC.
You know who George Washington is?
Yeah.
Washington Missouri.
President John.
The founding father of the United States of America, the greatest country ever to exist.
Payment.
Seriously?
Yes.
How do you come?
It's okay. I manage because I work as a freelance videographer.
Okay.
So I get If I come Colombo, I can get the orders.
okay.
Orders
Where do you
everything.
stay? Kodindi?
Vellavathe.
Vellavathe ingada.
Vellavathe.
Nanu Vellavathe.
First chapel name?
මේ මගේ ගෙවල් ගාම ඉන්නේ. මම වෙල්ලවත්ත BOC බැංක් පින්නාලා නිකේ.
Pinni.
BOC බැංක් තියෙනවා.
ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಪ್ಪಲ್ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಟ್ತೆ ಕೊಂಚ
BOC ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಾಲಾவது ಅದು பின்னால ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ இருக்கு. ಫ್ರೀಯಾ இருந்தா ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಡಿ ನನಗೆ.
ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ equipment ಏನು තියෙනවද? ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ equipment ಏನು තියෙනවද?
ಸರ್
ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ equipment ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ ಇದೆ.
ನಿಕೋನ್ D Elaji 7200
7200 එකක් තියෙනවා. zoom lens එකක් තියෙනවා. photos ඔක්කොම කවර් කරනවා. මේ මෙයා තමයි අර ෆොටෝස් හරන්දි මම යවන හොඳ ලස්සනයි කලර්ෆුල් එක.
ඔව් බලන්න මොනවාද?
අර ඉවර opportunity දරනවා. facing without freelance. Been here ಯಾಕೆ friends
ಅಕ್ಕ ಟೀಚ್ ಪಂಟ
okay. Stays here now.
ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ இருக்கு ரெண்டு கடுத்து இருக்கு
ஏதாவது அவசரம் இருந்தா எனக்கு அது நீங்க நம்பர் கொடுத்தேன். all the best. ඔයාගේ ෆෝන් එක නෑ.
Google products ඔක්කොම Google Classroom එක කතා කරලා analytics එක ගොඩාක් ඉන්ඩීට් එකට යනවා. හැබැයි ඉන්ට්‍රොඩියුස් කරලා දුන්නා නේ.
මොකද Excel ඔක්කොම
Facebook ඔක්කොම ඉන්ට්‍රොඩියුස් කරා.
Google කරලා මේ daily use.
ඒක ඔක්කොම මේ වැඩි basic introduction කරේ. ඒක ගැන වැඩි ඉගෙන කොහොමද කියලා ඉන්ට්‍රොඩියුස් කරා.
time අදිද?
Google Analytics එක monthly workshop.
Yeah, I will run that. How to use Google Drive for daily life. Ini nama calculator program. Anisi checker pengen megang.
මේ නිරෝයි මෙතන course name එක නේ දෙන්න ඕනේ. diploma in journalism.
diploma in journalism weekend.
ඒක මේ මම මේක පොඩ්ඩක් වර්ධ කරලා
තමයි ඔයාට ටික ෆිල් කරන්න මම ඉදිරි ටික දාන්න.
නෑ මම මේ මෙතන මොනවද කපන්න. මම මෙතන course name එක දාන්න how to use Google.
right.
තව එකක් print කරනවා.
subject කොහොමද?